Well, good morning. We've made the difficult decision about CATMANTOO. So the decision is that we will not take the wreck from the insurance company. We'll leave it up to them to dispose of her, which is hopefully someone ends up with a repairable, nice boat. And it's not been easy, but I just haven't got the time to arrange, organise, supervise and undertake repairs. Unfortunately, with salty old Sea Dog going into care, we have to make arrangements for his house, tidy up and everything else. And Omar is also in her 90s and starting to show definite signs of aging, so it's been a bit of a difficult year for us. We will be buying another boat, and it will undoubtedly be a larger, flasher catamaran, which hopefully won't require quite so much maintenance. So you'll be able to continue joining us on that journey, and rest assured videos are not just going to be of me staining the deck. So if anyone wants a good boat and is prepared to put a lot of effort in, she will be on the market shortly. Bye-bye, NORSAND. I've cleaned everything. Okay, pump reinstalled. Well, I've just borne off a bit to miss a buoy. Our home's over there in Jackson's Bay. As I don't really have a destination in mind, I think I'll carry on a wee bit further, tack around, head back down and maybe anchor on the other side of Northport. Oh, but we're successfully turned around and rapid progress continues to be made. Fishermen here. It's a very beautiful landscape here. Should be fine to go over the sandbanks now. There's a lot more people fishing on the point, and all in the jib sheet. Oh, the sound of progress. So we seem to have a more consistent wind now. We've got out of the wind shadow. Right, oh well, not a perfect weekend, but here she is back home. It's evening, tide's going out, wind's coming in from behind. Either be out there or even worse, further out. The rain's getting heavier. Still a fair blowing out there. Not yet high tide. Once the tide turns, it will be a lot rougher, but it'll be dark then. Probably on the rocks. So she's currently flown on. Unfortunately, we've had water in this hull, and there's water in here. She's just moving again, putting a bit of welly on the tuck. Sacrificial wood. Not sure where they're going, but I'm presume they know where they're going. Being very cautious as far as the bottom goes. Well, I know I said we weren't going to be doing a lot of more deck stuff, but we're going to do this bit. So I've shifted all the junk off it, and there's the front door. Oh, well, I've scrubbed it with deck wash, so we'll hose it off. Oh, here's the good side, and here's the bad side. I bought the stern clears and some documents to go with the boat. Oh, she's smelling a lot drier than she did.
Damp.
And all the water's either evaporated or gone. And down here's the temporary repair that they did to get her afloat. Here's the water tanks out of the port side. So 3, about 100 litres each. To be expected, the lithium bank's fully charged because there's actually no current draw at the moment. And here's the 200 amp hour lithium iron phosphate house bank and the battery management system, contactors, fuses. Now here's the course computer for the autopilot, and then down next grey box in there is the Whangarei HS Ethernet switch. It's the receiver for the masthead wind instruments and various connections. Diesel heater control panel, single sideband, and just a cheap car stereo, and the Califont, which I'm not even sure currently has gas going to it. There's the stern clears and the zip and quarter bits. Yeah, haven't stayed clear, but might as well go with the boat. Nothing else, it's a pattern. Oh, we just popped into NORSAND to have a look.
Sugar shack.
A Neil down there, trimarine coming out.
Oh, yes.
There's a leopard, catamaran. Uh, 2018, is it? No, 2008. Escape hatch in the centre of the bridge deck. It's like a leisure furl boom and mandrel here. It's the main catamaran park here, so we'll just see what's around. Off the foils. now that's as far as the hoses will reach. So the last bit I'll just use the shovel on, I think. And that's looking an awful lot better. And blasted all this. Hurrikawas are coming out all over. Warm run of weather and getting close to Christmas, and here they come. And this one's starting to be in full bloom now. Here he comes.